shortcut method for finding the cube of a two-digit number. Today we will study to find the cube of a two-digit number using shortcut method. Here we will use this algebraic identity a plus b whole cube. This equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is the algebraic identity we will use here in the shortcut method. So for that we will make 4 columns. Here 4 terms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are here. So we will make 4 columns. A cube in the first column, 3a square b in the second column, 3ab square in the third column, and b cube in the fourth column. And two-digit number, any number will be there. Suppose 12 is there. This is two-digit number. Then this is tens place and this is units place. So A represents tens digit and B represents units digit. This is units digit and this is tens digit. So always we will use A for tens place and B for units, means A for tens digit and B for units digit. So we will consider one example to clear the method here. So the columns will be required, so I am not erasing. Suppose 21 is there, 21, then 21. This is A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 1 here. Tens digit A and B, that is ones digit or units digit. So A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 1. So first we will calculate here A cube, the value of A cube. A cube, this is equal to, here A is equal to 2. So 2 cube, this is equal to 8. Now B cube we will calculate, or 3 square B first we are calculating. 3a square b, this is equal to 3 into a, the value of a is 2, a square, then value of b, that is 1. So what you are getting? 4, 12 here. Now we will calculate ab square, third column value, 3ab square. Now put here the value of a and b. So 3, the value of A is 2 and value of B is 1. Simply here we are putting the values. So 1 square, that is 1. 3 to just 6 here. So we have got the value of third column also. Now we will calculate B cube. B cube, that is 1 cube. This is equal to 1. Now we will put here the values. A cube is equal to 8. 3a square b, that is 12. 3ab square, we are getting here ab square, so 6 is there, so we will write here 6. B cube, only 1 is there, so we will write here. Clear? Now we will write here, underline 1, 6, only one digit we will underline. 1, 6, then here 1, 2 is there, but we will underline only 2, and now this, whatever be digits be there, we will take here. So 1 will come here, we will add this one, we are getting 9. So if there are 2 digits, we will underline both the digits. If there is only one digit, we will underline 1 digit. So here it is 1 digit only, we have underlined it. So we have got the cube of 21, that is equal to, write down the underlined digits only. What is there? 9, then 2, then 6, then 1. So we have got the cube of 21. We are coming to exercise 4b. One question I am taking, question number 1. 25 whole cube. We have to find out the value of 25 whole cube. So again we will apply the method here, and the identity means that is already there. We have 4 columns here. So here the value of A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 5. So we will calculate all the 4 terms here. A cube, that is equal to 2 whole cube. So we are getting 8. Now we will calculate 3a square b. 3a square b. Now 3, the value of a is 2. So 2 is square. Value of b is 5. So 5. Into sign you can make or don't make. Here we are getting 4, 5 ja 20, 23 ja 60 we are getting. 4, 5 ja 20, 23 ja 60. Now we have got 3a square b. Now the 3ab square. We will calculate here. 3ab square. 3, the value of a is 2. Value of b is 5. So 3ab square is there. So we will calculate this. What we are getting? 150. Now one left b cube. B cube, that is 5 cube. 5 cube is there. We are getting 125. Now we will write all the values here. A cube, that is 8. 3a square b, that is 60. 3ab square, that is 150. B cube, that is 125. Now underline the units place up to these columns here. 5 is there. Now 12 is left. We will take this 12 here. We will add this one. 2, 6, 1. Now whatever we have got, we will underline 1 digit units place. Now 16 is left here. We will take this 16 here. Now add this one. 6, 7. Now 6 we will underline, then 7 we will take under 8. So 7 will be here. We will add this one. 8 plus 7. We are getting 15. So here 2 digits are there, but we will underline both the digits. So whatever be the digits are there, we will underline all the digits here. So now it is 15. So 25 whole cube. 25 whole cube, what we are getting? Both the digits we will take here underlined. 1, 5. Now 6 is there. 6. Now 2 is there. Write down 2. 5 is there. So this is our answer. We have got the cube of 25. Now next question I am taking, question number 4. That is 84 whole cube. 84 whole cube. So we have to calculate 84 whole cube. So first we will calculate a cube. What you are getting? A cube, that is here the value of a is equal to 8 and the value of b is equal to 4. That is tens digit 8 and units digit 4. Now we will calculate according to the columns. A cube, that is 8 cube. 8 cube you are getting. So 64 into 8. 512 we are getting. 3a square b. 3a square b, this is equal to 3. The value of a is 8, a square, and b is 4. So 4. What you are getting? 64 into 4 is 12 here. Now we will multiply this. 64 into 12. We are getting 768. So we will write here 768. This is 768. Now we have done 3a square b, 3ab square, 3ab square, that is 3 into a and b square, that is 4 square. Now what we are getting here? (24 into 16). Now we will multiply this one. 24 into 16. (384) we have got 384. And now one more left, that is b cube is left here. So calculate anywhere. B cube, that is equal to 4 cube, that is equal to 64. So we will write here the values. A cube is, the value of a cube is 512, and the value of 3a square b, that is 768. 3ab square, that is 384. Value of b cube, that is 4 cube, that is 64. Now we will start doing the underline here. 4 here. Then we will add this 6 here, plus 6. We will underline 0 here, 39 will come here. We will add this one. We will underline 7 here, 80 will come here. We will add this one, 2, 9, 5. All the three, whatever the digits are there, all the digits will be underlined here in this column. So we are getting 84 whole cube, that is equal to 592, 7, then 0, then 4. So we have got the answer 592,704.